Very good morning to all of you. Yesterday we had a press conference whereby I mentioned the restrictions which were in place till 30th of April. So those restrictions have now been extended up to 3rd of May. Those restrictions which were issued, that order has been extended up to 3rd of May midnight. That is till 12 in the night of 3rd of May. So that is an important decision which I wanted to convey. Second thing is, all the candidates, their agents and the counting staff, they are supposed to mandatorily get tested before entry into the counting hall. So as you all are aware that we have made arrangements and sample collection is underway at the government hospital and also at the primary health centers. So these two measures which I wanted to inform. I would also like to reiterate that the residents and public in Karaikal should not unnecessarily come out till 3rd of May. We have to stop the chain of transmission. It is very important that everyone wear mask, maintain social distance and regularly sanitize their hands. Your family members, if they are traveling outside, please discourage any unnecessary travel. Respect the restrictions of lockdown. It is not technically a lockdown, but respect the restrictions which are put in place, so that as a district we are able to remain safe. I briefed yesterday about the restrictions which have been put in place by the Election Commission on 2nd of May, that is no victory procession. I would like to reiterate that for all the candidates, political parties, agents, that no victory procession is allowed, and to receive the certificate of election, only 2 people can go with the winning candidate. So these are the important information which I would like to convey to my press friends and to the people of Karaikal in general. Public passenger transport, which was part of the earlier restrictions, that continues to be allowed, that continues to be permitted. So passenger movement, goods movement of all kinds, public passenger movement, that continues to be permitted. In the last order, there were restrictions placed that in any taxi, 3 people plus driver, in any auto, 2 people plus driver. So those restrictions have been extended till 3rd of May midnight. So if anyone wants to come to the counting center, he can come, and if he wants to enter inside the counting hall, any counting agent or the candidate, he has to produce a RT-PCR or a RAT certificate. I would also like to appreciate the support, help which we have received, district administration has received from the people of Karaikal in compliance with the COVID protocols. I am grateful to the people for cooperating with the district administration in enforcement of restrictions. However, we would like to see the positivity rate in the district go down as we move from here, and we would like to end this chain of transmission of virus. This can only happen if we avoid any unnecessary travel outside, if we avoid all gatherings, processions, meetings which are not needed, and if we have to go outside, maintain social distance and wear masks. That is the only thing. I am emphasizing it again and again. This is needed so that our hospital infrastructure, medical infrastructure, doctors, nurses, who are Ashas, Anganwadi workers, who are working throughout the day in the field, collecting samples, running the test results, taking care of the patients, they are put to minimum burden. So this is very important. At the counting center, there is a security arrangement in place. There is a 3-tier security arrangement in place. Outer cordon, that is the gate, is manned by the local police. The middle cordon is manned by the armed police, and the interior cordon is manned by the CAPF, which is there. Outside also, police duties, traffic duties will be put in place to ensure that there is no gathering, no procession. If we find that there is gathering or procession of any kind, immediate action will be taken to stop that. These restrictions are ample enough to prevent any type of gathering or any type of crowding outside the counting center. Of course, inside the counting center, you need to have an RT-PCR certificate. Apart from the RT-PCR certificate, we are also providing face shields, masks and sanitizers to all the agents. We also have a facility of providing PPE kits. If anyone wants to go inside the counting center and wants to have a PPE kit, so PPE kit will also be provided. Ample arrangements are being made. The only request is for the candidates, agents, political parties to cooperate in this time, so that no further spread happens due to this. That is the thing, that is the request, that is the appeal. See, there is no restriction from the side of district administration on operation of public transport. If PRTC as an organization feels that in particular route the traffic is less, then they may take a call. That is the call for PRTC to take. But from our side, on public passenger movement, there is no restriction. However, those restrictions of sitting capacity and social distancing will of course apply. Because people also have to make a movement for supply of essential medicines, for a supply of essentials. So, for that an facility must be given. So, that is a reasonable facility which we are giving.